Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mandy. I do love to share motherhood vlogs and also homemaking. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along while I'm trying to reset the kitchen. I hope you do enjoy your stay here. If you are new to the channel, to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the love and the continuous support. I do so. The growth on the channel, you guys, obviously it won't happen all overnight, but you guys are super amazing. I'm super blessed to have you all. Thank you so much. I hope you do enjoy the rest of the video. Please don't forget to watch the adverts. That is how I grow the channel. So if they do appear, please do not skip them. I'll really appreciate that. I think if you have watched the previous video, you guys, I shared that I want to start a stockpile, and I'm so proud of myself because I started. So I think the second list there will be the second product that will be on the list going forward. It's going to be like cleaning detergent, your dishwashing soap. I want to add all of those now in the second one. I hope I'll get maybe like start with 5 soaps depending on what will be cheap on the time. If it's handy andy, I'll do handy andy. If it's domestos, I'll do domestos, but I want to start 5 and then go back to the first list, which is the soap, the one that I started with. Do the 5 again, like that. I want to do things like that. And when you only focused on the freshly produced, your meats, your fruits, your vegetables, then focusing on those cleaning detergent, and also the girls cereals will be part of this as well. Their school snacks will be part of this as well. Yeah, you guys, is it something you consider doing, or it doesn't work for you, or you just like me, sometimes the space does not allow you to do it even though you do want to do it, but the space just doesn't allow? Please do share on the comment section down below. I would like to engage with you guys. It is not the first time we do a stockpile. We've done it before and it's worked super well, you guys. Our monthly grocery went down with a large amount, which was super helpful. We normally would do it in December when you buy like at macro, but what I don't like about macro is that it's limiting. So when it's like a pack of 5, you take everything at once, other than your Pick and Pay and Game does it. What else? Which I just shop Checkers as well, it does it. So now we can get like a variety of stuff. They can say take 5 pay customers. So I really do want to do that now so that I can explore other flavors other than just doing 5 flavors of lemon. I do love lemon product, but I want to get more flavors when it comes to products. And you guys, I won't wash these bottles. I've recently washed them off camera, so I'll just pour what is needed in here. To those of you who have been with me know that I do love to see our food in containers, you guys. It's so nice to see them inside the containers. But what I did was to label them, ne? So when I run out of something and then I don't replace it immediately, I tend to put maybe cornflakes on a Nutrific or Weet-Bix container, but I don't like that. So I think what will help me is to get more bottles, more containers. I am working on that. It's just that other things need my attention more than that, so it can still wait. It's just that sometimes it annoys me to see something that is not labeled the way it should be. I hope I'm making sense, you guys. I hope you're still with me and enjoying the rest of the video. You guys still remember these flowers? These were initially fresh flowers, the one that you see next to me, but I've turned them into dry flowers. I'm so in love with these. I struggle to throw them away, but maybe this coming weekend I'll get like fresh flowers, but I still don't want to throw them away. I love them so much. I don't know what they called, but initially they were fresh flowers. And at the end of the video, I didn't show you guys, I did remove these flowers and put them on the on the bottle that is on top of the freezer, the one that is shaped differently. I wanted to put my lemons on this one. They did not all fit in here, but it's so cute to see them. I hope I'll insert a picture of it somewhere here, because they are not featured on this video. It's something that I did at night when we got like other fresh produce. You guys, we get fruits once a week in this house, so that the girls can have something to eat at school, and also all of us meant to eat the fruits and vegetables. I wanted to keep the original sound of the video, you guys, but then again, I didn't want this video to be on, I wanted to be on like speed, because it's just a kitchen cleaning. I won't feature any other part except for watering my plants, and I won't clean them with you guys, but they were very dusty. I had to clean them off camera because of time and all that. So I'll continue with the voice notes until the video ends. I hope you don't mind that. Guys, now that I'm editing this video, I think I should just mention this funny story, ne? So, I like where I stay, most of these girls, it's teenagers. The other one is doing grade 7, the other one is doing grade 10. They wear these t-shirts. So now I decided to wear them only in the house. I was so embarrassed. I was like, no. I'm sure even then they were like, you are too old to be featured on our group. But that's okay. I end up laughing at myself, but I won't wear them outside anymore. I'll just wear them inside the house, especially when I'm filming like my videos, because they are very comfy and light. So it's easy for me to keep going when I'm wearing these. But I saw these pinafores from Shein. I won't insert a picture, guys, but I want to buy one. And I hope you don't laugh at me. I've seen them from most homemakers from Korea, from China. I really love those, you guys. I think they're just perfect for indoors when you are doing your stuff, and also they protect your clothes pretty much better than your normal aprons, because they are only opened on the sides compared to your normal apron. Like at the back they are open, and sometimes they are short in front. Yeah, so yes, you guys, so we are almost at the end of the video. I am using my handy andy window cleaner. It cleans pretty much well, you guys. I also love the other one. What's the name of it? Mr. Sheen, but this one smells better than the other one, and it does the same job, man. I love them both, you guys. I know this kitchen will be clean for only a few hours when my babies comes home, but that's okay. I am happy with that. All the time when they come back from school, I'm super happy to have them and catch up on the day, their day, my day, and all of that good stuff. This is where we end with today's video. Thank you so much for watching that entire video. I do appreciate your support. Thank you so much, you guys. I'll catch up with you on the next video. All the time when I'm cleaning, I really do love to listen to elevation worship, guys. I love these people's, not these people, I love the message from their song. It makes so much sense, and I can relate to it mostly. And yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys on my next upload. Thank you so much. I'll see you. I put my faith in Jesus. Oh, before I go, I forgot to tell you guys the reason why I'm using this egg hunter thingy for the girls. I don't have a tray for these, and I always forget it when I go there. There's this place where I got these pot plant, the white ones. Love these. So when I go back, I need to get these as well.